Good morning, and good afternoon to every viewers who's watching the video. Welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix the problem of your Binance account verification failed. So when this problem occurs, if you try to verify your Binance account, it just says verification failed. And why you want to verify your Binance account is because when you verify your Binance account, you can actually use your Binance account, because a Binance account without verification is completely useless. It's basically like saying I have a car, but since I don't have a driving license, I can drive it. Your verification and finance is similar to your driving license. Otherwise, it's basically a Binance account, but you can't use it. Once verified, you can transfer your crypto and buy and sell crypto. So to verify, you need to go to Binance.com, log into your account. And before moving forward, just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe for a YouTube channel Tech It Simple for future videos like this. Let's move on. And click on versus verify. If you guys have not yet verified your account, the verify button is going to be shown on the screen. So just click on it. Once you click on it, is going to take you to the verification page. And there's 3 ways to verify yourself. And once you're over here, and you just want to click on Start Now. And it's going to ask you which method you want to use. You want to choose which method, so it only says verification failed when you type in a miscorrect information. So to verify yourself, you need to upload the photo of a document, and if you click an unclear photo, then it's going to say verification failed. So when you're clicking the photo of a document, make sure to click it properly. Because if it is blurry, then Binance can verify it. And when you click the photo of a document, all your information of a document should be shown. And whatever information is on the document, you need to type that information on your binders. Because if your document's information and your Binance personal information does not match, then it's going to say verification failed. And remember, if using your driving license didn't work and using your citizens to buy didn't work, then you need to use your password, alright, or using your password always works. Most people's driving license and citizenship ID doesn't work, or most countries' driving license and citizenship. It doesn't work. But your password works for you most of the time. But if you're in a country where bindings is banned, then it's not going to work right. So just keep that in mind. And with that said, your verification process is going to take 1 to 2 weeks, time, so you need to wait for some time, right? So with that said, just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe everybody else about.